In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer images over from one page to another page. Now, everyone knows that you can just take a piece of paper and lay it on top of what you want and trace it over, but what if you don't have that option? Well, with an image that you currently have printed out, all you have to do is flip it over, kind of guess and outline where you need to fill it in at, or just outline the image in general, so we know that the image right here is inside of those lines. So now what we have to do is take your pencil, lay it on its side, or whatever you want. You can use a crayon with this or a coloring pencil, doesn't really matter. Just lay it down and fill in the entire area that you have previously circled. Now fill it in as much as you can, because the heavier the graphite that you have down, the easier it's going to be to transfer your image over. Now that you have that, all you need to do, take your image, put it on top of what you want to transfer over, and simply draw it on. And there you have it. So now once you have that drawn over there, all you have to do is remove the paper and your image is traced onto the other page. And some of you, I've already guessed, are probably going to be yelling at the screen saying that, Mr. Gray, you don't allow us to trace in school. Why are you doing this? Well, that is not entirely true. In fact, if you look at that video that I have there, and probably tagged up here, I do allow tracing, but in certain situations. Now, to recap the video that we have there, I recommend you go and watch it for my full explanation, but basically, you are already advanced enough to where you can do the exact same thing without tracing, and tracing just saves you time, then it's perfectly acceptable. Now, if the end result is you trying to improve your drawing skills, then tracing is not acceptable. On the other hand, if you're just trying to use this as a means to get to the end so you can actually work on what you're trying to do, then yes, it is perfectly acceptable to trace. Anyway, thank you all very much. Hope this video has helped you. Have a great rest of your day.